Hey guys, and welcome back to scripting tutorial number 14. In this tutorial you're gonna learn about loops, script loops, if you get this some kind of wrong way. A loop in script is just some kind of block of code that is used over and over again. Sometimes it's finite amount, sometimes it's infinite amount, and it depends which loop do you use and how do you want to use the loop. So, first of all, there are three kinds of loops, and I'll also should tell you some kind of limitations, I guess, or just a warning. Speed of electricity, is really fast, and it's basically like speed of light, and script just goes to like electrical signals, it just runs through these things, and it does that as fast as it can, and that's like really fast. That's basically like the speed as the electricity goes. So yeah, that's the thing. And why am I telling you this? Because first of all, there are, as I said, three kinds of loops: while, repeat, and for. Those. And we are not gonna talk about for loop. This will be in the next episode, and we are gonna talk about while and repeat loops. So this is how you do this. First of all, you just go there, you just write while, and then something that is related to booleans, like while just finds the script.parent or something, or just as people do when they want their loop to not stop at all. While true, it also works, but it doesn't work when you just write while false, because it wouldn't make any sense. And this loop just loops, goes around and around, only when it's true, when something is true. When it's false, it just doesn't do anything. So we wanna do true, not YT, true, and then do like that, and then it just automatically does the end. So yeah, that's a really dangerous thing, and if I run, I don't wanna do that, but if I run, it will crash, trust me, because it goes infinitely. You might seem it doesn't do anything, but it does. So let's just try to I don't know. First of all, you can just do not only true while something is true, you can just enter a wait command right here, and it also works. So let's enter wait 1, and if you enter a wait without any commands, it just waits a couple seconds, and I believe it's 1 divided by 30. It's like, wait, no, I don't know how much does it wait. I'm gonna check it. Yeah, it just waits 1 divided by 30 time. That's a small amount, but I believe you can change it. I'll check it in the settings. I saw some kind of setting that is called default wait time. I think it's in the Lua section. Yeah, it's warning thing. Yeah, as you can see, default wait time, it's that amount. And you can change it, but it might destroy something, so you don't really need to do that. And that's also some I don't really know what does the garbage collection function do. There is a function, collect garbage, this one, but I have no idea what does it do. So back on topic. While wait, I'll wait 1 second, because, and then we can do anything. We can print, because it's the easiest way how to show you this. No, we can do something differently. I'm gonna just make a variable called a, because because it's just a letter. I don't really know why. A equals 0, and then a equals a plus 1. and then we are gonna just print A. And now you should see it just does print that really fast. Well, not really, every second. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. And if we just remove wait, no, I don't wanna remove wait. I'm just gonna just do like that. And as you can see, it prints it really fast. And that's it about while loop. Well, I could show you the picture, how does the wiki represent that, but that's a bit hard to understand, I don't know. So first of all, there is start, and it just goes through to and then boolean expression, and if it's true, then it just runs the that script, you know, all that things until the end, and it checks again. If it's true, then it goes again. If it's not true, false, I mean, it just goes again on those lines. That's really simple. Now let's get to the repeat loop. So you wanna write like this, repeat, and then it doesn't need an end, because you notice that if I entered, just press enter button, it spitted out this word until. So also I'm gonna show another picture of how Roblox wiki represents that. It is like it just goes, you write repeat, script knows that, and when it runs this block, it just runs it, and then checks this condition, which is also true or false. If it's false, then it goes again through this thing. If it's false again, it just goes and on and on and on. You get this, I guess. And if it is true, then it just goes along like this. And that's sometimes useful, but you can also do same thing with the repeat or while loop. But sometimes things are easier using this loop, I don't know. Sometimes they are, sometimes they are not. So yeah, that's it about this loop. Well, not really. I'm gonna show you how to use that in real practical example. So for example, well, too many examples I guess. So let's just insert a part, right? We inserted the part, and I'll make it a bit bigger, and then just make it like so. I call it brick, and then I'm gonna remove those surfaces because they are so annoying, and another one because it's below. Okay, we are gonna do something with this part or brick, so we're gonna change its name. Repeat, you don't need to do anything. Repeat, it just repeats until, and then here you need to write something. So until script dot parent dot brick not no brick dot name equals, and you need double equal because it's kind of like if statement. Loops are kind of like if statements, but they repeat the same stuff. So yeah, and then equals, I'm gonna write like this, 99, because we are gonna just name it somehow. So yeah, as you probably noticed, script.parent dot brick. Also, I believe you noticed a little bit that there was a break thingy, and we are gonna learn about it in the next tutorial. So yeah, breaking is also a bit important. If you wanna just if you don't enter any wait commands, you wanna break it usually, unless you are some kind of hacker and you wanna destroy a place, but that's not possible. Well, with Lua. And now we are gonna set this dot name, not dot brick. Dot name equals Also, we are gonna set a variable called a equals 0, and then we are gonna do basically the same thing as we did before. A equals a plus 1, and then we are just do a like so, and we need to wait. You can put the wait command also here, and 0.1, and then it should do stuff. Yeah, to be particular, it should name the brick. Yeah, as you can wait. Why? Oh. Also, I should just do like that. Yeah, because it doesn't find it. That's a problem. That doesn't work like that because it's really hard to access this. And if I just placed you in this, because when you change the name, it just doesn't know what does that mean. So yeah, I try to do this, figure it out some kind of way, but it's too hard. So, well, I believe there is just no way to do this other than just putting it in the part. And as you can see, it just changes the name really smoothly and without any problems. As you can see, until the 99, of course. And yeah, it just doesn't work if this thing is not in the thing. If it's in the workspace, I mean the script. If it's in the workspace, it's nearly impossible to change the name. It's really hard, trust me. And that was a bad example, so because of that, I'm gonna change something else. For example, reflectance. So I'll just do like that. Let's just change the transparency. Okay, so a equals a plus 0.01, and script.parent dot transparency equals, well, double equal 1, because we don't wanna just go forever. And now we just do like this: script.parent dot transparency equals, well, I don't need this variable, like so. And then come on, what are you doing? I need you to change like so, and then plus 0.1. Yeah, well, I'll just change you like so, and you. No, let's keep it. And then if we run, it should say, well, play. It should just change it. Yeah, just slowly fades away, I guess. Well, maybe. Oh, I don't know why why it does that. Weird. But I believe it does work. Just lagged a bit, I guess. No, I don't know. But that's pretty much it about the loops, and that's a really simple way to use it. But it's really not recommended to not use wait commands, because it will crash the game. And because of you, I'll gonna do this. Well, do, and no, not debug. Do, and then, well, I think just doing nothing, it just does that. It just crashes. So because of you, just because. Yeah, as you can see, it just really slowly loads. I believe I'll get the crash screen. Yeah, well, or it just does that. And it's for a long time and it's hanging. You can kill it or break it. So breaking works just as a breakpoint, because it will crash your game. So I could kill it or just break it. So I chose to kill it, and I believe it pauses your game. or just isolates the script somehow, I don't know. And if we press break, it just adds a breakpoint right here by clicking this, and if you press play, it just breaks until it gets to this point. And that's how breakpoints work also. Yeah, as you can see, it just goes here and stops. And that's pretty much it. So thank you guys for watching. If you have any questions, please post in the comments. And next episode will be about for loop and loop breaking. How to use this thing, break. And it will be pretty simple, but for loops are kind of advanced thing, and I'm gonna just tell you why is it so advanced next time. So goodbye.